Right guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a little surprise for you this morning. Now, as you know, with lockdown you cannot travel unless it's absolutely necessary. That means there's no train travels to go out on trips, etc, etc. And as you know, I love travelling on the train, whether it be to see my historical sites, whether it's to go shopping in Edinburgh. You've seen it in my previous vlogs, so can't do that no more. So I have discovered something that is next to not perfect, but something similar that will put the mindset into order as if we are going on a train journey here from home. Next, you're gonna like this. So I've discovered on YouTube, as everybody else is on YouTube at the moment because there's nothing else to do, so I watch a lot of YouTube. Me being a YouTuber, so I watch a lot of other YouTubers and YouTube documentaries and different programs on YouTube. So what I have discovered is this set of videos, the live videos of train journeys. So you go on a virtual train journey, and as you know, when you go on a train journey in real life, what you're basically doing is when you're on that train journey, you're looking at all the scenery passing by. Some people go on train journeys just especially to travel through that country's scenery. So I've discovered these live train videos on YouTube where you're virtually transported onto this train in certain countries live. So it's not, there is some that has recorded, but the ones I've been picking as the live cams on trains. They're fixed on trains, either on the front or it's positioned somewhere on the train at the front so that you can actually see the train going through all these. And guys, I must have spent about 2 hours last night on different live train journeys. So anyway, I'll give you a wee taste without further ado. I'll just switch one on and let you see it. So let's let you see a little taste of what it is, and beware, because these are highly addictive. Once you go on one train journey, you want to go into another country's live train journey. So let's have a look at the first one. Enjoy. Enjoy that. It's especially good if you have a great big widescreen TV and you can sit in your comfortable chair just in front of it, and it just takes you through the scenery. The snow ones is the ones I particularly like. Even though we're just past the winter, it's there's something about a train travelling through the tracks in the snow that gets the heart beating and gets the mind calm, and it's nice. Now, a lot of my viewers and regulars already know that I am Scottish and I live in Scotland. So, and I live in a beautiful part of Scotland, the gateway to the Highlands. So anyway, this next video I'm going to show you is a well sought after train journey, and it's on an old steam train, and it's the Highland journey through the Highlands on a steam train. So I just can't remember the name of the actual train. It'll come back to me. I'll write on the screen here. But it's a famous steam train that takes you all the way through the Highlands of Scotland. So have a look at this one. And remember, I think this video goes on for about maybe an hour and maybe a bit longer, so this is a recorded one, this is no live. I think you can get the live one, but this is the bit of the recorded one. But you're going to like this, so have a look at this one. The live steam journey through Scotland. And scenery is spectacular. So guys, if you're bored and you're frustrated you can't get out to go on your usual train journey or bus journey or whatever, then these live videos of train journeys are ideal. And I'm telling you one thing, it sets the mind at peace and rest because of just the sound of the train and the scenery you're going through. It puts the mind, it tricks the mind into thinking you're on the train. So if you're wanting a wee hour or so of calming and into another world, another journey in another country, these are ideal. And there's a great selection. Just type in on YouTube live train journeys and they'll come up. You'll get a whole selection of different countries. And you probably, live train journeys, put the name of the country at the end of the title and it will come up. My favourites, as I said to you, is the snow ones, the snow scenes. So, and you do get live snow scenes still in certain countries because there's snow in the mountains. So that's the ones I pick. But I'm saying that I also love the scenic journeys where it's beautiful sunshine and there's lots of trees, lots of country. And guys, see when you're on these journeys, your eyes are fixed just like the train driver and you're looking on the tracks maybe, and occasionally you'll see some nice wildlife crossing the tracks and whatever, and you see some people at the side of the tracks, you see some people in their houses as you go by. It's just lovely, it's so relaxing. So I can't get out on my usual train journeys, so this is the next best thing. And I'm sure you'll agree with it. Enjoy. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that wee tip from me, and if you want some more tips, subscribe below and give me the thumbs up, because I'm going to be exploring YouTube for all different things while we're in this lockdown situation, and I hope this has helped you pass the time. So I'll say goodbye for now till next time. I'm away back onto YouTube. I'm going to see what else I can discover for you and myself to keep us sane. Bye bye.